Let's talk about action and words. Sometimes we say things we don't mean, and sometimes we say things we don't act upon. Whatever you do in your life, in your business, at personal level, rather than just talking, just take action. And I know sometimes it's hard. Sometimes we do speak and we don't take action because of fear. But action, rather than words, is what is going to make your business successful. You can say you want to be the biggest company around the United States, but until you don't act like a big company, you won't have success. So what are you doing today? Take action and visit our website, scoring.com. To your success, Ari Carmona, scoring.com Vice President.